Whoa, what's this? You tried installing Windows 11 and it told you your PC is not supported? No TPM, no secure boot, unsupported CPU? Seriously, again? Relax, you don't need new hardware. You just need a good friend who knows the trick. Let me show you how it's done.
Here's Windows tutorial tips, a channel to learn different tricks. Subscribe for more knowledge for geeks. Do like, write comments to ask what's this.
So, what do you need to make this magic happen? Just a few things. A USB drive, 8GB or more, a Windows 11 ISO, we get it from Microsoft, Rufus, our bootable USB creator, and you, with your unsupported PC. Alright, plug in your USB and open Rufus. Select your USB, then your Windows 11 ISO. Some Rufus versions let you skip TPM and secure boot checks right here. If you see that option, turn it on. If not, no stress, we will do it manually with a registry tweak. What? Still blocked? Yeah, the setup still checks for TPM and secure boot, even though we told it not to. Okay, time for the sneaky move. At the first setup screen, press Shift plus F10 to open command prompt. Type Registry and hit enter. Now let's head to this location. HK local machine, system, setup. Create a new key called labconfig with capital L and capital C. Inside that, make 3 words: bypass secure boot check, bypass CPU check, and bypass TPM check. Set them all to 1. You can also make another word for memory bypass using bypass RAM check and set it to 1. That's it, you just outsmarted the installer. Close everything and go back to setup. Pick your drive and install like normal. Boom! Just like that. Windows 11 is installing. No nag screens, no hardware checks, no drama. And we're in. Welcome to Windows 11 on the very PC Microsoft told you wasn't good enough. Everything works, it's fast, clean, and no weird tricks after this. Oh, just a head up. Future updates might be picky, but I've got another video coming for that. If this helps you out, give that like button a little high five and consider subscribing to the channel for more no-nonsense Windows tips. I'm always here to help out my digital friends, like this little guy right here. Got stuck anywhere? Drop a comment below, I answer them myself. Thanks for watching Windows tutorial tips. See you in the next one.
Subscribe for more knowledge for geeks. Do like, write comments to ask what's this.